The best gaming PCs are the easiest and most convenient way to incorporate a really strong gaming setup into your life. While you could always construct your gaming PC from scratch, carefully studying components and soldering methods, the reality is that there are lots of excellent pre-built and optimized gaming PCs on the market right now. In this video, we have put together the 10 best gaming PCs 2021, their specs, and prices, so you can get a feel of what's available on the market. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below to get a notification on our next video. Number 1. Alienware Aurora Ryzen Edition. There isn't a much better choice than the Alienware Aurora Ryzen Editon R10 if you're willing to spend the money on one of the most competent gaming desktops money can buy. This system has an octa-core AMD CPU and Nvidia's RTX 3080 graphics card. Not only will you be able to play 4K 60 frames per second PC games, but you'll also be able to get high-quality ray tracing effects with this gaming desktop's GPU without sacrificing frame rate. Number 2. HP Pavilion Gaming Desktop. This $700 basic model budget gaming PC should offer at least the bare minimum you'll need to play reasonably undemanding games in 1080p, without shoving a stick in your eyes. Intel Core i5-10400 processor, GeForce GTX 1650 graphics card, 8GB of RAM, and 256GB SSD. These are the standard specifications for this low-cost gaming PC, but if you can afford it, upgrade to 16GB RAM and a larger SSD. Number 3. Corsair One Pro i200. The Corsair One i164 is the gaming equivalent of the i200, but with an i9-10900K processor rather than the i9-10940X, and a $900 lower price tag at $3,300. For $1,900, the entry-level i145 comes equipped with an i7-9700F and a GeForce RTX 2080 Super. While the Corsair One model may not squeeze every last bit of performance from its components, that is the price of choosing a little powerhouse. The design is particularly well suited for VR, owing to the front-facing HDMI and USB connections. Number 4. Maingear Turbo. Do you want an amazing gaming PC? The Maingear Turbo may be the right choice for you. This tiny PC may seem unassuming due to its modest size and understated appearance, yet a short glance through the tempered glass side panel reveals what makes this machine purr. Inside is an AMD Ryzen 9 5900X CPU with a 240mm liquid cooler attached. You'll also get 32GB of RAM operating at a blistering 3600 MHz. The new Nvidia GeForce RTX 3080 graphics chip inside is the icing on the cake. This mix of components will allow your small PC to tackle almost any gaming task you throw at it, including seamless 4K gaming. Number 5. Zotac Box Magnus One. The Zotac Box Magnus One is a very small gaming PC that packs all the power you need for competitive gaming. The Zotac Box Magnus One has an Intel Core i7-10700 CPU with 16GB of RAM, as well as the latest Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card. This setup is up to the job of gaming at 1080p and 1440p with excellent frame rates or 4K with beautiful visuals. It also has enough storage for your favorite games. All of this is housed in a chassis that is less than a third of a cubic foot in size. Number 6. MSI Meg Triton X. The Trident X crams top-of-the-line components into a small chassis, about 5 inches wide, and is remarkably quiet for such a powerful machine. Additionally, it appears more like a gaming machine than the understated Corsair versions. The RTX 20 series models have been retired, and the RTX 30 series is now available for pre-sale, although costs start at $2,400 for a 10th generation Core i7, 32GB RAM and RTX 3070, and a 1TB SSD. Number 7. CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR. The CyberPower PC Gamer Extreme VR is one of the finest gaming PCs for those looking to save money without compromising on performance. This PC, equipped with a Core i5 processor and an Nvidia GTX 1660 graphics card, is capable of running major games at high settings and even virtual reality. Even better, the Gamer Extreme VR is incredibly simple to assemble, making it an excellent starting point for gamers who will ultimately wish to upgrade to more powerful components. Number 8. Asus ROG Strix GA15 G15. This $1,600 PC has some pretty excellent components, including an Nvidia GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card that would likely account for more than half of the build's cost if purchased secondhand. Right next to the RTX 3070 is an Intel Core i7-11700F CPU with 16GB of RAM. In other words, you'll have more than enough muscle to tackle any type of game thrown at this machine. Additionally, Asus equipped the machine with enough storage, including 512GB of high-speed NVMe storage for the operating system and your favorite games, as well as a 1TB hard drive for your extended collection. Number 9. MSI MPG Trident AS. MSI's MPG Trident AS gaming PC is a monstrous beast that would appear right at home next to an Xbox Series X or PlayStation 5. Except that this one has RGB lights. This ultra-thin gaming PC weighs less than 15 pounds and measures only 5.1 inches in width, yet it has an 8-core Intel Core i7-10700F CPU, 16GB of RAM, and an Nvidia RTX 3070 graphics engine. The combination is more than capable of handling 1440p games. What's more remarkable is the MSI included mounting options for two 2.5-inch drives in addition to the 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD. Number 10. Dell G5 Gaming Desktop 5090. The Dell G5 5090 is one of the finest gaming PCs for those looking for a reliable entry-level computer that's also highly upgradable. This reasonably priced desktop computer comes standard with a Core i3 processor, an Nvidia GTX 1650 graphics card, but can be upgraded to a Core i7 CPU and RTX 2080 GPU for more intense gaming. One of the G5's most compelling features is its sleek, fail-safe chassis, which is extremely simple to open if you need to change out components in the future. Dell's desktop computer is capable of running AAA games at 1080p and 60 frames per second, and the system is mostly devoid of bloatware. And that's it for the best gaming PCs of 2021. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please share your opinions in the comments section below, and remember to click the subscribe button to be the first person to watch new videos on this channel.